You'll never guess what we're doing. No, you won't. We are making pancakes! Yeah! What are we making pancakes, Molly?
Cause it's pancake Tuesday, or as I say,
Shrove Tuesday!
Whoopie Gangnam!
Hi. Whoopie Gangnam. So as all good bakers like to do, we have to have a recipe. And oh wow, magic, I have a recipe right down here. Wow! But the only glitch is, because our family is awkward, we all have special diets.
Not me, I like sugar.
So do I.
Get out.
Anyway, so we have to use fruit sugar and gluten-free flour.
So attractive, right? You'll need
Baking powder, salt, fruit sugar, eggs, butter, milk, gluten-free flour, and a smile.
Let's get the scales out.
Let's get. Ow! You stole my dough! Now that Molly's gone, it'll probably be a good chance to talk about how she's quite scared of the camera, and it is really good that she could face her fear and just talk to you. I mean, her, especially in the kitchen, she just flips out. So just bear that in mind. She says she needs a toilet, and she just needs some time to, calm down a bit. I hope that you understand. I have the scales now, so let's get on with the baking. And Molly doesn't want me to tell you, so.
Haha, scales! Hiccup. So Molly's still not back from the toilet. So I guess I'll just have to do this thing. At the moment. Guess I'll just be meeting. Stop. Don't worry, Molly, I'll be down soon. She's still on the toilet. I think Molly's coming. I hope not through this door. Instead of a pinch of salt, I have all this. She's coming, she's coming. Don't know what door for. Molly just made me spill the salt all over the floor.
Back. Hi,
She's
camera.
back from the toilet.
Katie.
Molly, why don't you do the honors of stop it? Why don't you do the honors of pinching the salt?
Okay.
Need a third of a teaspoon of sugar because it's fruit sugar. So I'm just going to put a little bit of it. Okay.
We've done so much baking today, and it's already 8 o'clock. Whoa. So you put in 1/3 of those hairs. If you're using fruit sugar, milk time! Yeah! So we need to melt the butter. This is going to be fun. Melt. Molly, what if you set? Can you set the kitchen on fire by melting things? Oh, I feel the heat. Are you kidding? Because you've got butter in your hair. Oh, that's what I do with my hair. What does Molly say? She says Gloria sings. Molly, watch, it's hot.
Well, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that.
We forgot to beat the egg. Sorry about that. We forgot to beat the eggs, so that's what we're doing now, along with all the other ingredients. While we're waiting for the butter to cool.
So it should probably not look something like this.
Don't take advice from us, we're not very
Beginners.
experienced in making pancakes. Molly's now measuring flour.
She's so fine. She's really sweet, the finest girl you ever want to meet. Well, she really fills the clothes from her head to toe. I want the.
I really don't understand. We've made it and checked the recipe like a bazillion times, and everyone on the website is like, oh, this is a really good recipe.
Ale.
It's come out in crumbs. A pancake mixture in crumbs. Can you put this? It's literally like moulding into this. It's a biscuit. Can you put this in a pan? It's not right.
There's literally
Crumbs. Why don't you just try putting it in a pan and see what happens? Okay. Let's try this thing.
Don't then.
Well, look at that, look at that, look at that.
crumbs.
Oh no, it's just... Well, that worked out good.
So just like scrambled it.
This is great.
Add some more.
A lot of people want it.
I don't think pancakes are mixed up. If people come screaming from our car big, you can't get it.
Well, have you ever seen a girl for whom it's all you give, for whom you fight? She's so fine.
That's what it tastes.
Finest girl you ever want to meet. Well, she really fills the clothes from her head to toe. I want the
I think we put too much butter. She was expecting pancakes, that's why. She was expecting egg. Just tastes like it. My own special My own special recipe. Butter and flour. And some crumbs.
What is this?
Oh, yummy. Call me Chef Molly. So we're still going to serve it to our sisters, even though
Scrambled egg. Not pancakes, what they were expecting. For watching us making our pancakes, and subscribe, comment, like, favorite if that's a thing, and hope to see you
next week?
Yeah. Hope to see you soon.
Smells really good. Yeah.